Viking is an all-terrain vehicle with low-pressure tires. It uses a boat as a frame, to which a powerful frame made of durable pipes is attached, providing a high level of safety. The structure is covered with a fiberglass body. The all-terrain vehicle is equipped with a Ford engine with a working volume of 2 liters and a capacity of 163 horsepower. The gearbox is 6-speed, the drive is permanent all-wheel drive, with a center differential. All differentials are equipped with locks. Viking is equipped with a fully independent suspension. Ground clearance can be changed on the go in the range from 300 to 550 mm. Also, the machine is equipped with a centralized tire pressure change system. This allows you to increase comfort on bad roads, off-road flotation, and handling on asphalt. To move through the water, a jet propulsion system specially designed for this machine is installed. The water cannon is connected to the steering system and turns simultaneously with the steering wheel. Since the power unit is located in the center of the car, the amphibian has excellent buoyancy. Rolls depend only on the load. The interior of the car is designed for 7 seats. The driver's seat is located in the center of the cab, and panoramic windows provide excellent visibility to the front and sides. The maximum speed of the car on the road is 80 km per hour, on the water, 12 km per hour. Tall and wide Viking stands out noticeably in the stream of cars. By the way, you can drive around the city on it, as it is certified for driving on public roads.